questions to be asked if the presenting complaint is the cough are what is the duration, what is the severity of the cough, is it a dry or productive, what is the color of the sputum, associated with the fever or not associated, is there any chest pain associated with the cough, what is the character of the cough, which may be the whooping, aphonic, hoarse, or extra. Is it occurs commonly during the daytime or the nighttime? Does the bouts occurs or is it the episodic or not?